Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Thank you so much to my husband for doing cleanup. I can now walk out of my filming room because the Halloween boxes have been cleared. But we have another box to open. I'm so excited. But first, I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. Check this out. Jason just sent me a coupon cover. These are floating around out there. I'm like, I didn't think we were getting paper coupons anymore. So that is the front. And then check it out. Like this is the inside. I got a 20% off coupon, but I didn't get the coupon book, so I don't know what's going on with that. So, okay. This is the mother of all boxes. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got it. I got it. So, this is the Luminary. I know this is the Luminary. This is the only thing it could be because it's in this giant box. So, if you want to get a box with your Luminary, you're going to want to order online. Okay, so box within a box. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm getting too old for this. I got it. Oh my God. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got the box. This is crazy. So this is a Luminary from a couple of years ago. This one is actually a whopping $275. I know. It's expensive, but I really, really wanted this one. I've seen it in the store. It's beautiful, but for some reason, until you get it home, you really don't appreciate the beauty of it. So, we go like this. My advice is keep the box, because then you can, oh, it's taped. Okay, because then you can like store it. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Oh my gosh, there we go. Okay, we got a mess again. I don't know what the top and the bottom is. Oh, that is a terrible noise. That's like Halloween times 10. Bad noise. Okay. Oh, why didn't you bring your scissors, Bonnie? Okay. Luckily, this tape is really weak. Oh, yeah. Okay, so thank goodness for weak tape. I'm doing it. Let me see here. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not doing it. I'm going to need a manicure after this one. Why didn't I bring my scissors, you guys? Oh. One of those bad sitcoms. Remember Chubby Chase in National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation? Oh, I think I got it. Oh yes. You are beautiful, Luminary. Let me grab this. Like I said, you see at the store, and you're like, oh, it's not that big. It's not that big. And then you realize that like the Bath and Body Works is huge. And then you bring this thing home. It's got kind of a weird odor to it. It's the paint. Whoa. You bring it home and all of a sudden you're like, wow, is this thing huge? I think it's like the lacquer on here. So, are you ready for the big reveal? Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Look at how big this is. Like compared to the other one, it's tall. Okay, so this is the front. You can see in here, there is a really pretty silver door. You've got a green cake here. You get these cute little windows from the bake shop. Okay, we're gonna turn it here. Look at the detail on here. The little windows. There's a pumpkin, there's the frog, there's the cat. on the other side, look at all these cute little, there's a hanging spider, there's a crow up there, there's a ghost. Okay, let me do the back. This is exhausting. This thing weighs so much. And then look at the back. How cool is this? So I gotta say, from the wow factor, it's a wow moment. And let me tell you, you gotta be strong to lift these things. They are heavy. Again, like I said, if you look at this one versus this one, this is probably one of the smallest luminaries we've ever had. That mausoleum last year, remember the white mausoleum? Let me grab this. Uh, it kind of looked like this. Remember we had the Kraken eye motif? So the luminary, I have it downstairs, looks kind of like this. This is actually my fourth one. These are like the one things that I really like collecting, I'll have to say. So what you're gonna do then is you're gonna put a candle in the center. And then, you can burn the candle in the luminary, but this, honest to goodness, is absolutely stunning. I love the detail, like the little bakery items on here are really, really good. So, am I glad I got it? Yes, I am glad I got it. I always love getting this every year. I look forward to it every year. If you want to get this on sale, a couple of ways to do it. Number one, use your 20% off coupon. However, don't forget that the 20% off coupon is only going to be on the first 250. This is 275. So you're basically going to get, let me do the math. I mean, it's still a good deal with 20% off coupon. So 250 minus 20%, it's going to take it down to 200. But then, hold on. It's only on the first 250. Wait, 250 minus 20%. Let me do that. Percent equals, oh, you get $50 off. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's 225. I'm like, why can't I do this math today? So instead of 275, it would be 225, which is a better deal. Now, Bath & Body Works usually does like a 40% off Halloween sometime after the launch. The question is, are they going to include the luminaries? I think they did last year. Honestly, I don't know for sure if they will, because I feel like that's like a huge discount. So anyway, the bottom of this thing has like a white, almost like a velvet on the bottom. But again, like this is a really massive, heavy piece. So you need to find a really good place to put this. It can be a centerpiece on a table. It could be like on a, large buffet. It's really pretty to display. I get so many compliments on my luminaries, and they weigh. I wish I had the. Let me see. What is the weight on here? That can't be right. Oh, kilograms. I was like 7.8 kilograms. I'm going to do the math. Okay, pounds to kilograms to pounds. Kilograms. Kilograms to pounds conversion. I really want to find out how much this thing weighs. Okay, so it's heavy. 7.8. 17 pounds. That makes sense. That totally makes sense because this is a whopper to lift. So there you have it. Luminary 2025 Halloween. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you later. Bye bye.